Welcome to this guide where you will learn how to create your own custom model and view model for any game that runs on the Source engine. This technique can be applied to various other Source games such as Gmod or Left 4 Dead, even though I'm just showing how to do it in TF2. The main difference would be that you would use a different base character. Your custom model may be in more or less pieces. For weight painting, more pieces is better as it allows you to more accurately weight paint the mesh without affecting unwanted parts, so you should separate the mesh into pieces if you can. If your custom model has fingers or feet, you would just pose those bones as well. For best results, you should rotate the bones first and then move them. This way you get the correct orientation and limb length for your animated custom model. For those people who are more familiar with Blender, yes, I'm not using auto weight here by choice. For easier models like this where the hands and feet are effectively missing, it is just easier to manually weight paint the whole mesh. I found out that if you do it manually, you get less vertex groups, and that makes auto normalize work better as it will not displace weights unpredictably. This is probably the hardest part, so I'll try to be as clear as I can. So what we're trying to do here is to eliminate the up and down movement that happens with some animations, which cause the character to clip through the floor or just float. This happens because the animations are baked, so they have a specific bounce height, for example, when you jump or do anything. With this script we can eliminate this movement, or in this case scale it down, tone it down a bit. And in this case I'm toning it down to 0.2. Sadly the scaling isn't perfect, as it will also cause the character to just be moved up or down some amount. And this is the reason why we have the other variable, which is the add. So we have to just go back and forth and try to get the character back on its feet on the ground. I'll say this before someone makes a comment. So when you import your custom model, you might not have a VTF as the texture. It might be a TGA or a PNG. So in that case, you have to convert it into a VTF file with a program called VTF Edit. It's pretty straightforward to use. Good luck. No problems? Good job. If you did get problems, don't be afraid to just leave a comment. I will try my best to respond to each and every one. If you did enjoy this, then please like and leave a comment. If people like this video enough, I will make another part covering how to make jiggle bones for this character, as those ears were quite stiff.